Introducing the versatile 3-in-1 wireless charging station. This foldable charger features a magnetic MagSafe stand for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, allowing you to charge all your devices simultaneously with precise alignment. With 18W fast charging technology, it powers your devices quickly while ensuring safety with overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. Its sleek, portable design, crafted from fireproof ABS material, makes it ideal for home, office, or travel use. Compatible with the latest iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods models, this charging station seamlessly integrates into your Apple ecosystem, offering a stable and efficient charging solution. Introducing our spring locking cord holder clips with a unique open-close spring mechanism. Featuring a 60 degrees rotating shaft and an angled opening, these clips let you easily secure and remove cords with just one hand. Perfect for a wide range of cables, including Type-C, HDMI, USB, power wires, and more, with a diameter of up to 8 millimeters. For optimal adhesion, wait 30 minutes after sticking the holder. Our strong acrylic adhesive leaves no residue, making it safe for desks, walls, and more. The Victory and Gift Card phone holder features an upgraded memory aluminum alloy structure, allowing it to be bent at will. It comes with an eagle beak designed air vent holder, easily switching between dashboard and air vent installation modes. Experience 15W high-speed wireless charging with the Ultra Mini magnetic head, designed for 1:1 Apple original coils and 2 mounting connectors for flexible positioning. The 360 degrees adjustable swivel ball joint offers easy one-handed rotation, giving you the best viewing angle for calls and GPS navigation. Compatible with iPhone 16/15/14/13/12 series and MagSafe compatible cases, as well as Android phones with the included magnetic. Introducing the professional Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, designed to effortlessly clean jewelry, eyeglasses, dentures, and more, using just tap water in minutes. With 48,000 Hz high-frequency sound waves, it cleans without damaging delicate items like watches, coins, and glasses. The machine offers 2 convenient cleaning modes: 5 minutes for general cleaning or 7 minutes for dirtier items like watch straps. Its 12-ounce stainless steel tank is durable, corrosion-resistant, and the non-slip rubber pads reduce noise for a more peaceful cleaning experience. The package includes the Ultrasonic cleaner, a watch stand, and a user manual. Plus, enjoy a 12-month warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Get sparkling results with the professional Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner today.